guys, how are you doing? I've got some exciting news coming up. I'm just working on a new project and hopefully I should have it. I'm aiming to have it done in about a month from now. I'm making another course and this one's going to be about RC cars. It's going to be everything bashing related, everything from tuning your motors, tuning your shocks, making them more bash proof, making them more fun to drive, painting body shells, the tools that I use, everything, lipos, chargers, all the basics, all the advanced driving techniques, you know, how to backflip, front flip, all your rolls and mid-air control, you know, how you can bash and crash and avoid make less damage when you crash in, how to drive it on two wheels, like everything that I've learned, guys, a whole lot is going to be in this course, and it's going to be laid out in a nice, easy to follow, step by step. So it's going to, if there's a little bit you need some help on, like soldering, for example, you can just straight away hop over to the soldering section, and there'll be a video. And oh, guys, I'm really excited. It's going to be epic. So, guys, you're going to have to give me. You're gonna have to give me a month. I'm not gonna rush it. I want this to be really, really good. It might take longer. It might take 2 or 3 months. I don't just want to rush this thing together and just put out junk. I want this to be like as good as it can possibly be. And so I'm gonna let you know as we go along the project. I'm gonna let you know closer to the time when it's gonna become complete. Hopefully it won't be too long. But as a little downside, there might be slightly less videos, because I'm going to be putting all this time now into building this new course, and making courses takes ages. When I made the eBay course, that took me like a month of solid work of putting that together, because it's not just sitting in front of the camera and just quickly filming it. It's all the script you've got to put down. It's all the testing and making different videos when videos don't work, doing it again and figuring out how the course software works. It's just time consuming. It takes a lot longer than what you think. So it's going to take me a minimum of a month. So guys, give me a note in the comments if there's any other things you want me to focus on, like within the course. Put me some ideas down below. Is it something you would be interested in? Pricing wise, I'm going to try and make it as affordable as possible for everyone. So it's probably going to be under $50, because everything that I've learned in all that time, it's all going to be in there. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save you a lot of money buying all the wrong equipment, buying all the wrong stuff, messing things up, breaking parts. You're going to save that money like hundreds of times over. So guys, give me a note below. What do you reckon of the idea? Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? What do you want to see in the course? Alright guys, that's all I've got for this video. See you soon. Bye.